Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where the red line here and then the orange line down here are coming from. And update's probably not the right word. Confirmation, definitely, the proper word. And the big point of confirmation that is occurring right now is via this orange line that I've drawn in past videos, and you can see the power of charts. Price came right down here to this orange line, the lower trend line. And here we are with the price now bouncing. So over the weekend, because remember the crypto markets are open all weekend long, the question now becomes, is this bounce, does it have any sort of genuine power behind it? And this is not like some sort of revolutionary discovery on my part. Anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is going to be wondering the same thing, because there's no doubt about it. There was this trend line here. The price is now bouncing from it. So is there going to be some true power behind it? Well, the first sign of true power that this, bounce actually is, a legitimate strong bounce is, well, how is the price going to act up here around 47 cents? And 47 cents, especially if you've been watching the past videos, is a very stubborn level. The price has been up around here multiple times, and the price just can't quite push through it. So that is definitely the key level of resistance going forward over the weekend. Now, if you're watching this, let's just say on Sunday, and the price is up at 48.5 cents, well, hey, that's a sign that at that point in time, the bulls have made a very nice move, and in technical jargon, we would say that there's a pattern breakout underway. Now, if you're watching this again, let's go with Sunday again, and and the price is still below 47 cents. I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with that. Now, on the flip side of things, if the price, let's just say you're watching on Sunday, has broken down below this orange line and then has continued to separate, well, at that point, things are getting pretty shaky, and that's where this next overall level of support would need to come into play, which is down here at the 42.5 cent mark, being denoted by that green line right there. So these are definitely the three kind of broad areas to kind of gauge what the current status of the chart is, no matter when you watch this over the weekend. Again, ideally, yeah, you want to see the price stay above that orange line, or better yet, continue to get this nice little bounce here. And if that bounce can break up through 47 cents, that would be a great sign of strength. Or on the flip side, if the bear starts to show some signs of strength by pushing down below that orange line, keep an eye on 42.5 cents, because that's definitely that key level of support. So all in all, though, interesting week, very interesting setup as we go into the weekend. So things should be pretty interesting to see how it all plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.